pack opening part 3. Let's open this guy up. I hope we get at least a V. First time opening these kind of packs. Got from GameStop to use this code. Go ahead. Trash. I hope we got something good in here. Okay. Energy. Rescue Carrier. Electric. Digging Duo. Brilliant. Rockra. Execute. Cherubim. Got Youngies. Ooh. Let's go. First hit. Manaphy and Executor. Okay, not horrible. One hit. Peace.